Hello and welcome to the lesson on the 50-30-20 rule. So hopefully you were able to click that link or put that link up in the URL as I have here. Once you have done that, then it will prompt you to make a copy. And so you will click make a copy, and then it will give you something like this. Now, I'm getting some notifications and everything right now. But we should be able to run through and elaborate everything here. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to put in right here, this box where it says fill in over here. All of this is where we're going to enter in our information. So we only need to enter information into these three boxes right here. So for this one, we will put in whatever our monthly income is. So say it is 5,000. We'll watch over here on the left, everything shifts as though it is 5,000. Now, something I want to encourage you to do is look at the formulas that we have in here. So this says G3. Well, G3 is the box we just filled in. This one says G3 plus G4. Well, we have G3 and G4. So in G4, if we let's say we decrease each month by, let me see if I can get this work. There we go. Let's say we decrease each month by 1,000. So for some reason or another, we are not able to make $1,000 a month. So this tells us to add those two values together. Add the 4,000 and then the negative 1,000. And then that'll give us our 4,000, and then off of that 4,000, we are calculating 50, 30, and 20%. Oop, undo that. 50, 30, and 20% of the 4,000, which gives us our new dollar amounts for our needs, wants, and savings debt. So these each correspond to each of the different lessons. We have lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3. For different problems, you might need to use different, either the first block here or the second block here or that final block. Now, if we have a percentage shift, you'll notice it doesn't use the numerical shift right here, which is a 4,000, but rather it uses whatever our percentage is. And you need to enter this as a percent. So you might put 60% increase. So if it's an increase, it's positive. So we put 60, and then we need to put the percent symbol. If you do not enter it as a percent, then it won't function. So if we have a 60% increase off of 5,000, which 60% of 5,000 is 3,000, so 5,000 plus 3,000 is 8,000, then we do our calculations. Now, if we wanted to do a 60% decrease, we need to make this negative. So go here, and we add in our negative symbol, and we end up, once we click off, updating $2,000. So, if you do not want to enter it as a percentage, you need to enter it as a decimal. So if we wanted to do, instead of 60%, we would enter it as 0.6. And then we notice it does the same number as though it were 60%. With that being said, that's basically it for the spreadsheet. This should be able to get you through your problems. Good luck.